everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do make sure you consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and whilst hitting that red subscribe button, please do make sure you hit that notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my future videos. So in today's video, as the title says, I've picked up a few bits and bobs from H&M and ZARA. So basically what it was is working from home from time to time, not so much now, I've got a new different job, so I'm not working from home as much, but anyway, this was the kind of thought process prior to getting the new job anyway. I just wanted some comfy clothes, loungewear, call it what you like. I just found that I wasn't really getting dressed as you know, as I probably should have, but at the same time, working from home with the rising energy bills, all that kind of thing, obviously I'm trying to conserve heat, so needed to make sure I was also warm. So I went on the hunt for some comfy loungewear that also kind of looked really nice as well, just so that if I wanted to run to the corner shop or, you know, someone at the door, that kind of thing. So I managed to get 3 sets. So I'm gonna not do them in any particular order. I will put the sizes and links to everything in the description box down below, so if you are interested in checking any of these out, the information will be there. All of these are size medium, all across the board, no incorrect sizes being sent this time. And I will start with, so I'll show you actually. So I've got like 2 bags. So although these are both ZARA bags, and not everything's from ZARA, but it was just easy to kind of put them all together. So I will start with these. So this is a, it feels so snuggler. So as you can see, these are just a grey pair of tracksuit bottoms, jogging bottoms, if you like to call them that. They do have a little drawstring in, which is an actual functional drawstring, so depending on the size that you want, you can, you know, make it a little bit tighter so it doesn't fall down. It does have pockets, so that's just good. So it's got pockets there, no back pocket. It would have been nice had it had a back pocket. I feel like jogging bottoms and stuff like that look better with a back pocket, but no matter. And then it has just the cuff hem here. So these, as I say, I picked up in a size medium. Price point, these are $25.99. Now the makeup of these, fabric wise, because it does feel quite snuggly and felt like, which is what I was after, because again, looking to keep warm, all that jazz. And I picked the breakdown of it. It's 65% polyester, 35% cotton, so a nice mix of man-made fibre and cotton, you know, natural fibres as well. So I picked, as I say, the bottoms, they were $25.99, and I also picked up as well the hoodie to match, because we're looking at setting up here, set. So this is slightly cropped, as you can see, really nice. It's not got any pockets or anything like that on there, which again, it probably would have been really nice had it had a pocket on, but it didn't stop me from purchasing. I was quite happy with that. It's got a nice little hood, so again, if you sat there in the living room and you feel like, you know, I just kind of want to close it up a little bit more, fling on the hood. And then again, same breakdown. So the 65% polyester and the 35% cotton. This was $25.99. So $25.99 for the top and $25.99 for the bottom. So yeah, I think it's a decent price for the set. So yeah, that is item, or should I say set number 1. As well, I wanted to add in for the jogging set, which is in grey. They also do it in a taupe colour. I will pop a picture in if I can find one on the ZARA website, so you can have a look at what that looks like. But I chose to get it in the grey just because I thought I wanted it in the grey. That's just fine. So yeah, we'll leave it there. Okay. So next we have another, obviously, comfy lounge set. Now this is from H&M. Excusez-moi. So this is, so I'll start first with the pants. Now these are just, the feel of these are, again, really nice, really soft feeling. These don't have any pockets on them whatsoever, not on the front, not on the back. Again, there has a drawstring detail on the front here, which is actually functional. So again, if it's too big or whatever, you can kind of just secure it there, which I think is really good. They also come with a bit of a what's the word? Gathered hem. Is that what we'd say? Don't know. These, as I say, again picked up in a medium. Price wise, these were $19.99 for the bottoms, and this is a makeup of 60% polyester, 35% polyamide, and then 5% wool. So I feel like a decent mix. So I feel like this is going to keep me nice and snuggly and warm, but at the same time it feels pretty good against the skin as well. So yes, loving that. And because I wanted, again, sets, I picked up the cardigan to match. Now this again picked up in a size medium. Price wise for the cardigan, I think this is a little bit more expensive. I will pop it on the screen just because I picked this up online, and when you order stuff from H&M online, the tags come but they don't actually have a price on it. So I think it was about $24.99, but do not quote me on that. That information will be on the screen, and it will also be in the description box below. So again, anything that I'm showing you at the moment, if it is still available, I will leave links to everything in the description box below. Okay. But this I would pair with just like a basic white tee underneath, something like that, just to layer. And again, I feel like it's just a really nice colour. So it's like a greyish, taupey, slight greenness in there. I don't know if it's just me, but in the viewfinder it looks a little bit lighter than it does in real life. It feels like it's a little bit richer in real life. So this cardigan has 2 pockets on the front, as you can see there, a nice deep V. So again, if you really wanted to, you could wear this on its own. You didn't have to wear it. You wouldn't have to wear a t-shirt underneath if you didn't want to. Again, I could wear this with, you know, a pair of jeans. It doesn't have to necessarily be with these pants. So it's a good kind of multi-functional set, I think. So yeah, but I feel like, again, it feels really nice against the skin. Feels really weighty in a good way, so it feels like it's good quality for the price. So it'd be interesting to see how this washes. Obviously, as you can see, I've not worn them yet, so I can't really comment on that. But if you yourself have had this, or you know, anything similar, if you've got any comments as to kind of how it wore and that kind of thing, please do leave it in the comment section below. I'd be really interested to know your thoughts on that. But that, as I say, is set number 2. So we'll move on to the next one. Now this one I feel has to be somewhat of my favourite one. So this one is from ZARA, and I picked this up a little while ago, to be fair. I picked this up in, so basically I'll show you. So it's a basic skirt, so it's like a midi skirt, and it has a split on the back, elasticated waist, so there's no faffing around with zips and all that kind of thing. This was $19.99. Now the makeup of this is 50% cotton and 50% polyester, and as I say, it was $19.99 for the skirt. So I don't think it was a bad price. I think it was for what it is and the feel of it and the quality of it. I think $19.99 was a good shout for ZARA. I will have tried some of these on, so you will see cutaways, but this was something ideally that kind of started my hunt for cozy comfies to be able to wear around the house. So this now, obviously, I can wear around the house, I could wear out, and I could again style it with different tops. Doesn't have to necessarily be the top and I move swiftly into the top. Doesn't have to be this top, but I did pick up the matching one, and this is kind of a slight roll neck, same colour, slightly cropped, and when I say I mean ever so slightly cropped, so you're not going to see the waistband of the skirt at all in this. It's kind of, I feel like it sits just a little bit lower. So again, I could wear this with jeans, I could wear this with skirts, I could wear it with a multitude of items in my wardrobe. This again I picked up in a size medium, and this was $22.99, and the exact same makeup of the skirt, which was 50% cotton and 50% polyester. That was the one. So again, it feels really nice. Now this was something I felt like I could throw a leather jacket on over the top on if I needed to pop out, even for drinks, you know, like one of them days where you think, you know, I can't be bothered getting changed, but you don't want to meet friends for either a coffee or whatever, I think this would work really well with that. I'd probably put on a leather jacket with this, and then I'd probably put on some knee-length boots, knee-length boots underneath. So again, the midi skirt would cover it, but it's a little dressed up, but not too dressed up. So that's kind of where I was going with this one from Zara. So I do believe they had these in different colours. If I can find them on the website, I will also insert pictures of the different colours as well, and I will also leave links to any of the different colours if they are available in the description box. I remember I picked this up in store, and I'm sure there were some others, but it's been a little while since I've done that, so I can't quite remember off the top of my head. But yeah, so I feel like this, again, a really good price. You don't have to obviously buy the full set. You can grab the top or the bottom, or if you're after the full look, I'd definitely say pick up the full look. It's a good price, I think, definitely a good price. So everyone, that is the end of today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below which was your favourite set. Will you be taking a look? Is there anyone in particular that you're drawn to? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you did make it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. So if you did get to the end, please do not leave without hitting that red subscribe button down below. And as I said at the beginning of the video, please make sure you hit that notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my future videos. I think that is all I need to say in this video. I will leave a previous video at the end of this for you to peruse if you are looking for something further to watch. And I think that is all from me, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now. See ya.